Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Grado GT220 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to pair them with your iPhone or Android or any kind of Bluetooth device, or you're trying to repair them with a new device and they're stuck on the old device, you're having any kind of pairing issues, I'm just going to kind of walk you through the basics of pairing these earbuds. So first of all, if they're not paired to anything, if they have nothing in their pairing record, so if you're buying them new and you're taking them out of the box, or if you've reset them so that they will not have anything they've been paired with, then when you remove them from the case, they'll automatically go into pairing mode, which is they'll flash red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and you can just go onto the available devices on your phone and then select these Grado GT220s from your list of Bluetooth available devices, and they will pair. And then the next time you take them out, if your phone is on and in range, they'll just automatically connect to your phone. Now, if you want to change phones or something, you want to pair them to something new, and so maybe it's on a different phone and you're going to need to disconnect them from what they're paired with so that you can pair them with something new. What we're going to do is, with the earbuds already out of the case and turned off, then we can just come in and press and hold on either earbud. It doesn't matter the left or the right, just press and hold it for 5 seconds from the off state, and that will initiate pairing mode. So it will go straight into pairing mode, into discovery mode. It won't pair with things that it's been previously paired with, and then you can go onto your phone and pair it from there. Now, if you're still having pairing issues after all of this, I recommend you do a factory reset on the earbuds, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that.